On today's video, I'm going to be helping you with 8 life-saving skincare tips, right? That can help you navigate this Harmattan period. This is when the weather is dry. And the weather being dry, your skin is going to obviously respond to it, right? So now you're going to be needing these skincare tips in order to make sure that your skin is in check this Harmattan. Now, tip number one, I know that it is tempting, like really tempting to use hot water this period because the weather is cold, right? But you should not be caught using hot water. We are not about to defeather a chicken. Calm down. This is a human skin we are talking about here. Okay, some persons cannot bathe without seeing that those fumes or that smoke coming out from their bathing water. Now listen, it is wrong, and this is why. Hot water strips the skin of its natural oil. Okay, and when this happens, it leaves your skin drier. Now your skin already is getting dry because of the weather, so you using hot water is getting it drier. You do not want that. Use warm water instead. Use lukewarm water. I don't want to say use cold water because who has that mind? Like, who has that mind to use cold water this period? If you think you can do it, you can do it and let me know how it feels. But I can never be caught with cold water this period. The weather is cold already, please. Okay, use warm water. It is better off. Okay, it is better off. It is still going to give you that hot effect that you need, leaving your skin warm. All right, hot water is not it for you. Second tip is make sure you are always on your sunscreen. Sunscreen can never be overemphasized, most especially this Harmattan. The sun is out just like now, right? The sun is always at its peak during the Harmattan. Okay, so make sure that you keep your skin always covered, always protected. And even aside this, if you know you have skin conditions like hyperpigmentation, melasma, why are you not using a sunscreen? Why are you not reapplying? One is applying a sunscreen, right? Second is reapplying a sunscreen. I think that is where the issue is. Try to reapply. You can get yourself sun sticks this period in order to make things easier for you. Just swipe it across your face and that's it. You don't need to start applying on your hands to apply. No, you can get yourself sun sticks to make things easier for you. See, get a sunscreen. The essence of a sunscreen is it is so important. Sunscreen is so important at this point because sunscreen actually makes the skin age faster by breaking down the collagen produced by the skin. Remember that collagen is that protein produced by the skin that helps give the skin that bouncy look. Okay, that bouncy and youthful look. It is the work of the collagen. It is a protein in the skin. So the sun breaking it down is going to leave your skin looking aged earlier than it should. Please get yourself a sunscreen. Now coming over to the third point, do not lighten. Should I say do not lighten or reduce the number of times you use your lightening products? Okay, you know your Kojisan, and aside your Kojisan, some of your other, I don't want to mention the names of those ones, okay, but you know what I'm saying. Your Carotone, your I know that some persons are so addicted to this kind of product. You see, this Harmattan is not the right time. You can even use your Kojisan this period, especially if you are treating your hyperpigmentation, but make sure that you are not using them in the morning. Use them at night. Now, recently I used a lightening soap for 7 days straight. That should be in the first week of December. You don't want to know what my skin went through. I'm going to be filming a different video entirely on that, so just make sure you're subscribed. Now, it is going to get your skin dehydrated. Remember, the skin is dry, and lightening ingredients dehydrate the skin. If you don't know this, no. Dehydration is a skin condition where your skin lacks moisture, where your skin lacks water. You don't need that at this point. You need hydration, you need moisture. What you need now is any product that is going to help attract moisture to your skin. any product that is going to help retain moisture in your skin. Talk about ingredients like squalane, talk about panthenol, talk about hyaluronic acid, talk about your oils, your emollients, okay, your occlusives, talk about your shea butter, your cocoa butter. These are the kind of ingredients you need, not lightning, not lightning, you know what I mean, right? So cut off all lightning. If you must lighten, if you must use a lightening product because of your hyperpigmentation or the rest, use them at night and not even every night. 3 nights in a week at most. Okay, just 3 nights in a week at most is okay for your skin. Your skin is going to thrive. Okay, now the next point, this should be point number 4. Use a lot of oils this period. Now, oils serve as emollients. Okay, what do emollients do? They serve as a sealant. They create a physical barrier between your skin and your environment in order to prevent dehydration. Get yourself a body oil, except maybe your body creams contain oils and you think it's okay for your skin, good and fine. If that is the case for you, good and fine. Most especially those of us that are using body creams that contain majorly cocoa butter, shea butter, no problem. But if you know that the oil in your body cream or lotion does not even have any oil at all, please go and get a body oil. Get a body oil that's going to help your skin this period. Now, when I say body oils, I still do not mean lightening oils. I mean hydrating, moisturizing, nourishing body oils. I have a video on that. Okay, I have a video on hydrating body oils for Harmattan/winter. I will leave the link in the description box so that you can go watch and just make a choice on the kind of oils you can get. Okay, so get yourself oils. You can also use face oils, but when you're getting face oils, make sure that they are non-comedogenic oils. What do I mean? Make sure that they are oils that are not going to clog your pores, especially if you have an oily skin. Oils like rose hip oil, I think so, jojoba oil. I'm going to leave the kind of oils you can use on the screen. Okay, so please do not use your body oils on your face. Because I said you should use a body oil, you now go and get your Vaseline Radiant cocoa radiant body oil and start applying on your face. Don't do it, please. Those are not the kind of oils to be used on the face. There are specially formulated face oils. Okay, don't make that mistake. Now the next point, that should be point number 5, is drink enough water. I think this should even be my number 1 point. You cannot say you are hydrating your skin, that you are using your hydrating skincare products and you are not hydrating your skin internally. Hello? Drink enough water. Water on its own helps your digestive tract. Water on its own helps with the skin, with the body metabolism processes. Water on its own helps to flush out toxins. It helps to keep your skin hydrated. It helps to keep your skin well moisturized. It gives your skin a natural glow because your skin is always going to look well hydrated and bouncy. Drink water. Drink water. Now, because I said you should drink water does not mean that you should now go and overdrink. Remember that you should always apply moderation in everything you do. Okay, do not go and drown yourselves with water. Please drink in moderation. Okay, now coming over to the next point is going to be wear protective clothing. Now, wear clothing, cover yourself up. The weather is dusty. A lot of dirt, gunks are going to easily stick to your skin because of the weather. Everywhere is dusty. Try to cover up. In most times during the winter, you are going to see persons putting on mostly cardigans, sweaters, long sleeves. Now, this kind of clothes keeps the body warm. Remember that the weather is cold, so you need something that is going to give you that warm protection. I don't even think anybody in his or her right senses are going to be found with singlets this period, not wearing clothes at all. No, now the weather is going to force you to wear clothes. I don't even need to talk more on this. To the next point, double cleanse. Sis, what did I say? Double cleanse. Remember what I said earlier? The weather is dusty, right? And if you remember the essence of double cleansing, I think that should be in my previous video. I talked about it. Double cleansing helps to remove dirt, gums, excess oil, your waterproof sunscreens, your sweat-proof sunscreens, your waterproof makeups. Double cleansing helps a lot in skincare. Get you a micellar water cleansing balm or a cleansing oil. Just get something. Use it first on your skin and then you go in with your water-based cleanser. Your skin is going to love this. Trust me. Start double cleansing. If you've never double cleansed in your life before, see this Harmattan, make it a priority to get yourself a micellar water, a cleansing balm, or a cleansing oil. Please. Now, to the former point I made about you wearing protective clothing, you can also prioritize putting on nose mask. Okay, this is just to help cover up your nostrils, your mouth as well. Remember that the dust in the environment can also get into your skin through any openings at all in your body, and your nostrils are not left out as one of the openings in your body, right? So even though we have hairs there that can help to trap dust, but please, if you can use nose mask, it's going to be a plus. Okay, so the next point, which is obviously the last, make it a must to always moisturize your lips. Please, this is a very crucial time when your lips are going to get dried out. They are going to look all chapped. Even your hands are going to look dry, right? Your feet as well. Not your joints, your ankles, your knees, your elbows, they are going to get easily dried out because these are movable joints, so they tend to lose water easily. Get yourself a good moisturizing body lotion. Not just that, your body oils. Now, aside this, if you can also get yourself a body butter, that is using a body butter instead, very good. Your Vaseline can also help. You see me right now, my Vaseline is always in my handbag. Like, I carry my Vaseline everywhere I go. Didn't even start this Harmattan. This has always been a habit because I always tend to moisturize my lips every now and then, and my hands. I know that there are persons who have their hand creams, but for now, what I use as my hand cream is my Vaseline. You are likely going to always catch me trying to get my Vaseline out and applying on my hands and moisturizing my lips. So make sure that you have these essentials, okay? Get yourself a hand cream or your Vaseline if you can't get a hold of a hand cream. Lip balms are very, very important. Lip balms, if I'm to suggest, I'll say lip balms that contain SPF. Okay, like your Camex, like your Laneige, yes. Even Vaseline has a lip balm that contains SPF. You can get this kind of things. This is not one of those times to always be caught on lipsticks. I'm not saying you cannot use lipsticks, you can, but I've never been a makeup person, okay? I've always been that skincare person. So far, my skin is well moisturized, I'm good to go. So far, my skin is well moisturized and my lips are healthy, bouncy, and good to go. I don't really care about makeup. But if you are someone who so much cares about makeup, before you wear your makeup, make sure that your skin is well prepped, moisturized. You can't even use makeups on a dry skin. It's going to look cracky, right? It's going to look all cracky. It won't be smooth. It won't sit well on your skin. That is just the summary. So you are still going to need to moisturize that skin. Moisturize your skin, sis. Moisturize your skin, okay? And trust me, this Harmattan is going to get nothing on you, sis. Moisturize, okay? So I'm going to catch you in another video. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Subscribe. See you right in another video. Bye.